What does uncertain mean? Uncertain means not sure or not confident about something. In simple words, uncertain means unsure. When you do not know what will happen, you feel uncertain. Uncertain can describe feelings, situations, or outcomes. For example, I am uncertain about the exam results. This means the person is not sure what the results will be. Uncertain can also describe a future event. For example, the future of the company is uncertain. This means nobody knows what will happen next. Uncertain is often used when there is doubt or lack of clear information. Here are more example sentences. She felt uncertain about moving to a new city. The weather looks uncertain today. He gave an uncertain answer. Uncertain is the opposite of certain. Certain means sure or confident. Uncertain means not sure. In simple terms, uncertain means not knowing or not being sure. Easy way to remember, uncertain means unsure.